This section is about changing or recategorising and the rules engine. The rules engine is your personalised category engine, meaning where you are able to change and personalise the categories in which transactions are categorised. There are two ways you can navigate to the rules engine. That is, from the top right section of the screen, your admin area, click on Rules, or alternatively, you can also navigate through the actual transaction itself, and we'll explore this. As your transactions appear in your Moneysoft account, they will be auto-organised or categorised. However, in some instances, you may wish to edit this category to ensure it is specific to your circumstances. Let's use an example. And let's say that I wish to categorise a particular transaction within my transaction list. Let's click on this 7-Eleven transaction. The example is that I wish to change the transaction from food and groceries to general merchandise. And in this instance, I would select the category from either the main screen, or alternatively, I can click on the transaction and select from the right-hand side pop-up area. To change a transaction, simply click on the new transaction in which you wish to edit. In this case, we said we'd like to change the 7-Eleven transaction from food and groceries to general merchandise. Once you have changed, you will note that there is a question that appears at the bottom of every transactional pop-up screen. And this question requests whether you would like to apply the change of this transaction to each and every matching transaction or only to this specific transaction. The details within the rules engine is such that it is customizable. So let's say that we would like to apply the change to all matching transactions and click Save. You will then be directed to the Recategorisation rules engine. The details within the Recategorisation engine are such that it is customizable, such as the detail of the matching transaction, the display of the old transaction, and also the new transaction that you are categorizing to, whether it's from this particular retailer or all retailers, whether it's from a particular account or all bank accounts, whether the type of transaction is all transactions, both incoming and outgoings, or incoming or outgoings. You will note that the transactions are specific to the merchant, but also to the location of the merchant. In this instance, we have two transactions that appear from a 7-Eleven in Sydney with a postcode 2123. However, if I wish to edit all transactions from 7-Eleven from food and groceries to general merchandise, then I can simply generalize by editing the area in the matching transaction and clicking the tab button, and this will display all the 7-Eleven transactions that appear within the account. Therefore now, instead of a 7-Eleven transaction from one particular suburb being categorized from food and groceries to general merchandise, now all 7-Eleven transactions will be recategorized from food and groceries to general merchandise. Once you have completed your editing and customize rule, simply click on Rule is active to activate and click Save. Your new rule has been created, and at the point in time you will also be redirected to the rules area where you have all your rules that are specific to your account. Now, not everyone has this many rules, but this is for display purposes only. To navigate to your rules at any point in time, as a reminder, click on the admin area, rules, and this will take you there.